Welcome. Here is how to fix the Opera News app when articles refuse to load. First thing is to check your internet connection. So you need to turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data on and off to make sure you have an active network. So then you first close the app. Open your phone settings, go to app, select Opera News and force stop. Tap on force stop. Then thirdly, clear your cache. Clear the app cache. In the same Opera News app settings, tap on storage and clear your cache. Then don't forget, another thing is turn off data saver mode inside the Opera News app settings, as high data restriction can block articles from fetching images and text. Another thing is check for updates. Go to Apple Store or your Play Store, search for Opera News and hit update if one is available. Disable any active VPN or proxy apps running in the background, as they can trigger regional restrictions or connectivity errors. Goodbye and thank you for watching.